Hey guys, Lisa from Hello Happy here, and today I've got a new free crochet tutorial for you. I'm going to show you how to take your very boring, super drab, walking the dog Crocs and turn them into the cutest little whimsical pieces of art. Okay, yes, you are going to cover your Crocs in little mushrooms, and I'm going to show you how. And don't even ask me why. Why would you not? Why would you not? Before we get started, let me just explain. This tutorial is not going to teach you any crochet. I am just going to give you the written pattern, and you are going to have to know how to crochet and then crochet it. So if you don't have a lot of practice with written patterns, use this as a teaching method. If there are any techniques you struggle with in this video and you want me to make a how-to video for the techniques, shoot me a comment. I'll make one. I'll make one just for you. But I'm not going to make one if you don't ask. So ask away. By the way, shout out to my hair clips. They're pretty great. I feel like somebody's going to ask me about them, so I'll put a link in the description. Okay, so let's jump right into supplies. I used worsted weight yarn for this. Just go through your collection and see what colors make sense with your croc, because this mushroom would not work for this hot pink croc. Like, it's just total color mismatch. The red is better, but honestly, like a bright yellow or like a purple, or you have like a really bright orange, that would look good. But this like soft, mellow kind of pumpkin orange is not the vibe. So just go through your collection and hold pieces of yarn onto your shoe and see what looks good. I used a 2mm crochet hook, so get yourself a little itty bitty guy to make this. You will also need some seed beads to make the little spots, and of course a needle and thread to sew them on. You could do French knots as well instead with either yarn or embroidery floss, or even just regular sewing thread. Feel free to experiment. Of course, you'll need some, shoe charm blanks. I don't exactly remember what they're called, to avoid saying Crocs gibbets. But I will have a link in the description where I bought them. I just got them on Amazon. And then you'll need glue. I just used E6000. You could try a different glue. I don't know how well it'll work, but I have actually made a few of these for the Crocs I wear at work, and they have been stuck on for 6 months now, and they're still solid as a rock. So E6000 works really well for these. Supplies are done. Let's get to work. Round 1, make a magic ring of 6 single crochet. Round 2, increase using single crochet all around. Round 3, single crochet, increase around. Round 4, single crochet, increase around. Round 5 and 6, just single crochet all around and then finish off. So now you want to put your hook down and sew on the beads or make your French knots or whatever you have decided to do for your little spots. And then once that's finished, you can start crocheting again. So now you want to switch to the stipe color. Did you know that that's what the stem is called? It's called a stipe. You know now, okay? So with the second color of your yarn, insert your hook into one of the back loops from round 6. This round, and this round only, is going to be using double crochet. And you're going to decrease every 2 stitches together using double crochet. The rest of the pattern is single crochet. That was round 1 if I didn't say that. Round 2, single crochet, decrease around. Round 3, 4, and 5, just single crochet around. Now we're going to increase a little bit because it goes in and then it goes back out with the base, right? The flared base. Those words have implications. Anyway, round 6, single crochet, increase around, and then round 7 around. Finally, for round 8, the last round, you want to decrease around in the back loops only. And then you're finished. Finish off, weave away the tail, you're good. There shouldn't really be a hole at the bottom. If there is, you can just kind of make a couple stitches. So you'll notice at this point, the shape doesn't quite match this, but that's because you gotta mush it up a little. So first what you want to do is you want to take the bottom and just smush it up until it is flat. And then you want to smush the mushroom down until it kind of folds into itself and then becomes mushroom shaped. But it's not going to maintain its shape if you just leave it like that. Eventually it'll pop back out. So here's what you want to do. You want to take your yarn that you used for the cap color, cut a length of it, it's like a foot long or whatever, and then unravel it. Mine has 4 strands, so I unraveled one of the 4 strands and then use that like it was embroidery floss. Put it through a needle, insert it into the bottom, go up through the cap and then back down in a nearby stitch, pull it back down, pull it tight, tie a knot, shove the threads back into the mushroom, and then she's solid. So once your actual mushroom is complete, she's shaped, ready to go, you can go ahead and glue the base onto the mushroom. So just put a good glob, a dollop of glue on this thing, stick it on the mushroom, and then find a way to just set this on top of something. I actually grabbed a roll of Scotch tape and set it down like this in the hole of the tape. It actually fit really well, and that just kept it balanced so it stayed. But yeah, as long as you use enough glue, and I would say hold it for like 30 seconds so that it gets a little tacky, and then you can just let it go and let it sit, and then just leave it for like a day and come back and it's good to go. She is solid as a rock. She's not coming off. Like I said, I have ones on my work shoes and they've been on there for 6 months and they're like super solid. All right, and that is it for the tutorial. I hope you make a whole crock full of mushrooms, and also you better tag me on social media if you post that anywhere because I need to see that. I need to see that. Oh my god. So please do that. I might fall in love with you. Anyway, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope your day is full of mushrooms. Okay, bye.